The M12 Handheld Sprayer delivers increased productivity and application speed through the best pressure control and no manual pumping. With a consistent flow rate through applications, the M12 Handheld Sprayer provides instant, constant, adjustable pressure. This sprayer has 3 settings to optimize flow rate. Easily switch between settings to complete a wide range of applications. Switch to the highest pressure setting for a flow rate of 0.3 gallons per minute, with the ability to vertically spray up to a distance of 17 feet. Get up to 80 gallons per charge when paired with an M12 REDLITHIUM CP2.0 Battery. The M12 Handheld Sprayer powered head is compatible with both 1 and 2 gallon tanks to have the right size for the right task. The M12 Handheld Sprayer delivers increased productivity with the best pressure control, no manual pumping.